Sounds Collective came about because New Sinfonia wanted to start performing new music. So, for example, we've worked with The Innocents and Golden Fable, but as well as classical composers like Aled Smith and today Michael Bettridge.
The original idea was to get hopefully people from classical audience to turn up and the Golden Fable audience to come up. So hopefully those two groups of people will be exposed to different types of music and different ways of hearing music. So.
New Sounds Collective is a research project actually, so the two gigs that we've done, one in November with The Innocents and Aled Smith, and this one here in March with the Golden Fable Band and Michael Bettridge.
We play a lot of different kinds of gigs really. We play everything from the corner of a pub to a festival, but we've never really played with this dynamic before. As a songwriter, I'm very influenced by a wide range of different music, so it's kind of nice to have another facet to it that kind of complements it.
This piece focuses on several different sections of material which keep coming back and changing around one another, which is why I decided to call the piece Unsettled Paths. And it's a very odd thing for me because I've actually gone with box notation to allow the players to be very free in what they're doing, which normally I wouldn't do, so it's kind of a nice experiment for me as well.
The music I write is often very eclectic, does lots of different things, but the pieces I've chosen tonight, I hope, a lot of them are quite reflective, they're quite ambient for contemporary classical music. Sometimes contemporary classical music can be very hard on the ears, but what I'm hoping I'm presenting tonight is a breadth of my work, but stuff that people can just kind of let wash over them. I mean, the setting of the gallery is quite an informal, relaxed one, which is really nice for a contemporary classical concert.
One of the strengths of this project is that people who might not necessarily be interested in classical music or in pop or folk music have explored different formats because we've fused the two styles together. So people that have come to this event have gone away listening to two styles and then heard them together, and what we hope is that will only encourage more people to explore not what they always go to, but might look outside the box and explore other forms of music and support the groups that we have in North Wales.
We need to find some other musicians to work with. We've been very lucky to have had this project funded by the Arts Council of Wales and the National Lottery and the Welsh Government, but hopefully in the future we can diversify and to continue doing more projects in North Wales.